Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out UAG for sending me the Glass Shield Ultra screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So definitely some information on the front and on the back. So please read everything. Now, this is not the real deal. This is a dummy device, but you can still do a Glass Shield Ultra install. I just want to show you the process and what it's going to look like. And then what I'm going to do is test out a couple cases outside of the UAG company just to show you that the Glass Shield Ultra is going to work perfect. Not just with UAG, but again, with other cases from other companies. So what I'm going to do is speed up the video, turn up the music for your enjoyment. I'm going to go through the contents and begin the process, and then we'll get a good look at the Glass Shield Ultra on the dummy device of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and again, test out a couple cases. So let's do this. Okay, so what we're going to do is bring over the VRS Glide Ultimate case, which is an amazing, tough, bold case. Now, anyone can buy this case, but for those of you that are really rough and tough, super rugged with your smartphones, bam, right here, man. You get the Glide, which is a wallet area for a couple cards, some money, camera protection, turns into a kickstand, TPU material, top, bottom side, hard plastic polycarbonate material back here. Just an amazing, amazing case. So please go check out the review. Would really appreciate that you do that. Put the iPhone 16 Pro Max into the case, and we can see that we have a little bit of space between the glass shield protector and the case itself along both sides, bottom and top. So yes, the UAG Glass Shield Ultra is case friendly with the VRS Glide Ultimate. The Glide, the slide. That right there, folks, is a thumbs up. Let me bring over the Subcase Pro Mag. Pure copper pins that help activate that new capture button, camera control button on your iPhone 16 smartphone series. All right. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about the Glass Shield Ultra. Just enough space at the top and at the bottom, tucked right into the TPU part of the case right here at the bottom. Some space along the left and right hand side. What we don't want to see is the case push up on the Glass Shield Ultra, which can cause lifting, corner, side, top, bottom, and we're not seeing that, or at least I'm not seeing that at all. So that right there is a huge thumbs up. You can go watch this case review as well. And we're going to review this case really quick. UAG 18-foot drop tested, built-in magnet for MagSafe, which I cannot test the charging part of that, but I can test the strength of the magnet. Made from recycled materials, and you get a wrist lanyard that's included. The Pathfinder clear. Look at that fluorescent magnet for MagSafe area there. I am digging that.
Alright, some more information back here. Feather-like composite construction, built-in magnet for MagSafe, enhanced corner protection, tactile grip. Case is made from 50% recycled materials. Alright.
You know, it is really hard for me to speak that fast. My videos would probably be a few minutes shorter if I could speak a bit faster. But you know what? That's not how I'm made. There is the lanyard right there. Okay, so if you want to pull there, all right. And what you're going to do is slide this area here, this little loop, into the right or left hand side, depending on how you want to sport the lanyard. So I'm going to put that in there. And this is really cool for those of you that just can't seem to hold on to your smartphones. This is another tool that can be utilized. Hold on just a second. I found myself a bobby pin because it's just going to take too long to get it through that other little cutout. This will definitely help. Bam, look at that. Awesome. Okay, then you take the lanyard itself and put it through the loop. Like that. Honeycomb, soft matte texture. You got this honeycomb soft matte texture on the inside to help protect and cushion the back of your iPhone 16 Pro Max. And look at that. Look at that spacing in there. Perfect. Perfect. Constantly doing wipe downs in these videos, making sure that everything looks great. Huge cutout for the speaker grill, huge cutout for the USB Type-C charging port. Not huge, but a big enough cutout for the bottom mic. And you also have a couple little cutouts there if you want to sport a lanyard on the left-hand side. Plenty of lip all the way around, plus the Glass Shield Ultra screen protector from UAG. Recessed area up top for the combo earpiece and speaker. Sitting down on a flat surface a little bit rough, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, you should still be good to go with the Glass Shield, but you could end up scratching up that protection, but well, that's what it's for. The action button nicely covered up. You got the volume rocker minus and plus symbols there, that area covered up. A lot of traction grip on the left hand side, and we have some traction grip as well on the right hand side, plus the power button is going to be covered up and protected. Couple little indents there so you can feel that area. And we have a huge cutout for the capture button there. Very easy to utilize that area. Once you go into the camera, you'll be able to move your finger back and forth to utilize all the different settings for taking pictures, shooting video right in here. All of that information is going to show up there, and you'll simply do this with your finger. Forward, backwards. Very, very simple tool to utilize. Cameras, plenty of lip, plenty of depth. Just look at that. If you're going to be really rough, sport some camera glass lens protectors. That way you can sit down on a rough surface. If you're not going to sport those camera glass lens protectors, flat surface is good. Surface is a little bit rough, it's good. Anything beyond that, use your discretion. Good looking case. Hard shell back, see-through back. UAG brand name right there smack in the middle of that magnet for MagSafe. This gray TPU material, the lip on the back, actually rises above the hard shell back. Plus you have all of that lip surrounding the camera area. So the back of the case on a flat surface, or if the surface is a little bit rough, isn't necessarily going to touch. Anything beyond a little bit rough could scratch up the back of that beautiful, beautiful, bold hard shell back there. Lots of protection, corner protection, back, front. That right there, folks, is a winner. All the cutouts will be precise. Buttons are going to be covered up and protected. All of that's going to work. Again, you'll be able to get charging as far as the magnet for MagSafe, but we cannot test that area out. So the area we're going to test out is the magnetic strength, and I do a couple little tests here on the channel. This is the swing and the shake. I am digging that. All right. That is awesome. The Pathfinder clear case here with lanyard. And now we have the Glass Shield Ultra screen protector on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is definitely a really, really solid case. I'm loving it. I am loving it. See what I'm saying? Ain't going anywhere. For those of you that just can't seem to hold on to your smartphones. All right. There we go. That's the thumbnail right there. All right. Huge shout out UAG. Appreciate the opportunity. And to all of you that have come on by to check out this video, thank you so much. Please share the vid on your social media. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And leave a thumbs up if you like these full detailed reviews. That's what I'm about. Very, very detailed. And even then, I still miss something. So if I did, please ask down below in the comment section. Again, all the information to purchase will be in the description area. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.